Good afternoon, everyone, or good evening. I'm recording this video Saturday afternoon, Saturday 22nd of February. I'll most likely post it on Sunday, but I'm just posting it, I'm recording it ahead because it's going to be a busy weekend for me. So, welcome once again. It was quite a peaceful week last week. It was arguably our most profitable week. Since the beginning of this year, and since I started giving out signals this year, made about just 6 pips shy of 800 pips the last week, and we've made over 1,400 pips in the month of February alone. So it's been a good month. And personally, I would like to give the glory back to God. It's not been easy, but yeah, there we have it. So I would just like to jump into the analysis straight away. All right. Last week I was unable to post my analysis, and it was a good thing because the analysis would have been wrong. I was expecting last week, if we just look at that period from here to here, in between these two white lines, I was expecting the market to initially drop and then shoot up rapidly, but it actually initially shot up, came back down and shot up again, and only to now close the ending of the week almost towards the entrance of the start of the week. If we go to weekly, we'll actually see that the last 2 weeks. Sorry, let me zoom that in. Where's my zoom? Okay, let's just ignore that for now. I'm using a different laptop. So okay, yeah, let me zoom that in, and you can see that last week actually last 2 weeks, in fact, closed somewhat of a pin bar. That's it right there, closed as a pin bar. But we're not looking at that. We're looking at this last week and what trading opportunities we can get from that going into the new week. So this is last week. Gold pretty much continued in its bullish momentum, right? We were able to utilize that. We were able to capitalize on that early on Monday and hold the bullish run right up to Wednesday. And we can see from the middle of the week, Wednesday, what was Wednesday's date? Wednesday was on the 19th, and we can see from the 19th, gold started to lose some momentum. So this is Thursday into Friday, 19th, 20th, 21st. Gold lost its momentum, although gold created an all-time high still on Wednesday. After that, it eased off a little bit. So what does this mean for the new week? Yeah, so as we usually do, we go to our higher time frame and try and see if there are anything that can give us a clue. And looking at this week, we had an all-time high for gold. So that doesn't seem as if gold is slowing down anytime soon. Any correction we'll see, any fall we see on gold, we should still take it as an opportunity to regroup and buy. Even though Friday's close is still within the candle of the previous week, not this week that just ended, but the upper week. It closed within the upper week. That suggests that there might still be some consolidation around gold. There's a chance that gold might still fall or trade a little bit sideways, or maybe rise, but not with that same momentum as it has been doing for the past few weeks, or as it has been doing since the beginning of the year. So there's that possibility that we will still see gold by this coming week, but not with the same ferocity, not with the same momentum. Daily, not much going on in daily, but you look at the last 3 days, you can see that the three candles look like exhaustion candles, right? It looks like the market is slowing down. The difference between the bull market and the bear market is pretty much indistinguishable. Yeah, let me get the word right. Indistinguishable between for the last 3 days. This is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can see, if you look at all the other days, you can see it's either a very nice bullish candle or a clear bearish candle, but you can see a lot of exhaustion around here in the last 3 days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, there was a lot of exhaustion in the market. That also plays into my previous statement when I said that we might see gold continue buying, but not with the same momentum. And the flip side of it is that we might also just see gold maybe gradually begin to fall. But if it's falling, sorry, I'm getting notifications. Let me just turn that off. Yeah. Okay, like I said, this is a new laptop, so I haven't done some configurations on it yet. My apologies. So let me just quickly go back to the analysis. Yeah, so if we see gold falling and it's long overdue for a correction, it will just be an opportunity for us to buy. If it happens that that is going to happen next week, we'll most likely sit aside. We'll sit on our hands and just allow that to play out, and then we'll look for opportunities to buy. Down to 4 hours, not much has changed. If gold is going to fall, then I expect gold to be contained around the 29.16 area. That will be the first target for a gold sell, and if it's able to successfully break this zone, then it could fall all the way down to 28.80 and maybe possibly 28.36. But I don't see any fall in gold going beyond this for the immediate future. Now, things can change drastically. Macro economic situations can change, and you could see the market adjust to that. But for now, looking at it, one of two scenarios might play out. The first one is that gold continues to buy, but at a slower pace. And the second one is that gold actually starts to sell and sell massively. And that massive sell, I will continue to say that it's just a correction for the market to continue buying. It will fall, and then maybe that fall will be contained maybe around 28.80, and then the buy would resume. But any fall below 28.80 might expose a greater fall down to 28.30, there about 30, 35, 36, and then we should at that point maybe expect gold to resume the bullish nature. So yeah, that's my outlook for next week. If you enjoy our content, I suggest you like and you subscribe. You can also join my telegram channel and also WhatsApp channel, where I do more in-depth analysis, and I also give the trade signals. And like I said, if you had been following our trade signals, by now you would have about close to 1,500 pips just from the month of February alone. So thank you. That's me signing out. Have a wonderful trading week. Enjoy.